is the clothes washer. You can see the changing color of the water. It really does get your clothes really clean. Put it on for 12 minutes and it's almost to the 9 minutes. Okay, put it in the spin dryer. Clothes are all washed. And as you can see, they're still soaking wet. So we put them in the spin dryer. And you don't want to overload. This is perfect. Okay, see, they're still wet. All right. Where is the, oh, I did it again. Nope. Okay. There we go. That. All right, close that. Close it, turn it on for this. Very powerful. Look at all that coming out of it. Works great. Check out the shopping cart.